Good day everyone, I am Vince Faith Ishikawa from BEd 2B1 and for today's video, we're going to make a Magic Rose Bonsai. So kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano ito gawin, just keep on watching. Usually, we see the magic rose directly planted on the ground. So the purpose of this video is for us to have an alternative way kung paano mas gumanda at gawing creative ang pagtatanim ng ating mga magic rose. So ito yung mga materials na kakailanganin natin sa paggawa.
So here we have a rubber buns, pot and soil, scissors, and of course our magic rose stem.
Bago tayo magsimula, paalala lamang sa ating mga younger viewers. Please be careful in using the scissor. Please ask help from your ate or kuya or other people who is older than you. Since all the materials are ready, so let's start!
Step 1. Clean the magic rose stem. Dahan-dahan nating tatanggalin ang ilang mga dahon ng ating magic rose. Next, take 6 stems of magic rose. Tie the end of magic rose using rubber band. Step 3. Make a braid using 6 magic rose stems. Carefully braid the magic rose stem. Tie the end of the braided magic rose stem. Step 4. Repeat the procedure in step 2 and 3. Make at least 3 braided magic rose. Step 5. Carefully cut the left stem. Make sure that all braided magic rose has the same height before it will cut. Tie all the braided magic rose stem. Plant the magic rose at the middle.
At ito ng ating Magic Rose Bonsai. Ngayon ay ilalagay natin ito sa labas ng ating bahay.